that Thank you for watching. Thank you for the likes. Through the years of me. Thank you so much. My friends keeps telling me, why didn't you answer my text this afternoon? Here, you know what? Here, busy here. Busy here. You know it, busy here. Have an school, cab, preparing here. I left the phone here at the room. I'm with the another room, my parents' home. So I thought, Thank you for watching. 6 people here. Thank you so much. Hello, pretty lady. Hi, Gally. Para bang ika'y smile? Why? Why should I smile? Road na one. Thank you for 7 people. Hope you likes. Hope click the likes. Ako'y malaya pa at hindi ngayon ang puso ko. You're like, yeah. Muntik na, bakit pa hindi ka makinig? Ako'y nag-iisa, sino ang ibigin? Akong nais malaman, maaari bang magtanong? Alam mo ba, matagal na kitang iniibig. Tagal na akong naiibig. Ngunit meron ng ibang minamahal. Kaya't ako'y di mo pinapansin. Thank you for the 6 people here. Nais ko Ang puso ko'y parang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan
Naghugas ka mo ba?
Hi, Salva. Hi, Siba. Siba Balang Siba. Hello, where are you from, Siba? Siba Balang Siba. Nandi. Thank you for watching. Malaysia, okay. Thank you for watching for people here. Hi, Alan Ball. Thank you for joining here. Hi from the UK. Thank you for joining here again, Sir Alan Ball from United Kingdom. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Hello, Besmer. Hello, Besmer. Albania. Oh, wow. Nice to meet you here. Besmer from Albania. Thank you for joining. Ate Catherine, malungkot ka naman. Malungkot talaga pag walang pera. Hello, hi. Leila. Wala ka ata. Onyo ko ay medyo hindi ko ina-allow dito yung mga ganyang tao. Kasi first of all, you don't know me and I don't know you. And then, kung yung sinasabi mo sa akin, baka ikaw yan. Huwag mong ano yan sa akin. Ikaw yan eh. Okay. So, punta ka sa ibang channel. Punta ka sa ibang channel. Baka doon ka namubagay. Hindi ko ina-allowed. People not allowed here. The toxic one, the perfectionist. I'm not perfect, but I'm not. I don't like bad attitude here. So, Onyokoy, hindi kita kilala at hindi mo naman kilala. So, ayun, ayaw ko yung ganitong tao, klaseng tao dito sa live ko. So, maybe doon ka magkalat sa iba. Dahil hindi ko tinotolerate yung mga taong ganyan. Hindi ko ini-entertain yung ganyang klaseng tao. He say bad word. He say bad words. Inggit ka lang, marahil. Kasi, ba't mo sinasabi yung mga ganyang klaseng bagay sa akin? Tsaka hindi naman ako magagalit. Hindi naman, bakit? Ba't ako magagalit kung hindi naman ito? Tsaka you don't talk. Tsaka, no one can drag me down. Hi, Mapsi! Onyokoy, Onyokoy! Ang pangalan mo pa lang, mukhang fake na. Halata. Stalker na, halataon pa. Hi, Mapsi! Welcome back! Ziview Zopper. Akala mo naman, di ko malalaman. Hello again, Cheryl. Hi, Jan. Thank you for joining here again. Onyokoy, doon ka magkalat sa iba. And kahit magawa ka pa ng another account, hindi ko tinotolerate yan dito. Sorry to say. Good vibes lang ako. Hindi pa ako, ayoko may stress. Luis Carlos. Hi, Banzea. Thank you. Thank you, Jen, for joining here. Napsi, long time no here. Too loud here. The kids are playing inside. They're playing. Yeah, too loud. Thank you for joining here again. 8 people here. Thank you so much. Come todo respeto, dice Ellen. What it means, Luis Carlos. Akala mo ba, Onyokoy, maapektuhan yung channel ko sa ganyan? Never. Kasi yung bahay ko, pinapapasok ko lang yung mga maguboto. May siya, may gate pass. May gate. So, nag-i-stay lang yung mga totoo at tunay. Yung hindi ako gusto, go away. Punta ka sa iba. Ang dami magaganda, malalaking channel ganda. Pero dito, kahit maliit lang to, channel ko, I never allowed people like you. How I get here? You Thai? No, I'm not Thai. I'm a Filipina. I'm from Philippines. Spikes Pigal. Hi, Spikes Pigal. Where are you from? Did you see your changing your account? No, I'm not saying that. Someone here, I put a timeout. I know, I need to put the hidden channel. Someone, I blocked her. I blocked him. I don't know if is she a man or a woman, but I blocked him. I said, he's someone to make me mad. But I said that even you change your account, make me mad here. I'm always remove or block the toxic and not good here. And I don't allow that kind of people here on my channel. That's why I said even you changing your account and you are, I will always block people that always not healthy on my channel, not good. Good on you. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. I don't like. I know him. Yes, he did know me because I think some sincerity of that person making you make someone destroying you because of they can do what you're doing. I know he know me, but they know me, but they're trying to drag me down or trying to destroy me, trying to make me mad, but doesn't affect because I'm always choose to be good and positive. Yes, I don't want. I don't want to feel stress just like that person. Never. I could never meet a bad Filipino. Yeah, you're all too nice. I got to get one of you to take back to USA. Oh, wow. You're from USA? Good. You meet Filipino nice. But some Filipino are not nice. Some of the Filipino are bad. They are take advantage. So it's good to hear about you, to hear you because you meet Filipino good and nice. That's good to hear about you. Good to hear you. Yeah, that's amazing. Right. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Thank you for 4 people here. There's bad people everywhere. Yeah, I know. There's bad people everywhere. But we need to choose to people who talk to with someone to, yeah. We need to choose to be fine, to be good. Good evening, beautiful eyes. Ronaldo Franco, thank you. Beautiful eyes talaga. Parang masakit. Make the magic last for more than one night. Thank you for the 7 people here. Thank you so much. Just like you, Cheryl. Thank you, John. I did my best. Oh, I'm yawning. Are you tired? No, I'm not tired. Just once. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone. You know what happens when you yawn? Why? What happens? What happens when I yawn? You make me yawn. Oh, I really understand. Why always make me yawn when I do live? I don't understand. Oh my god, why so yeah, because too loud here. The kids are playing outside. Stop it. Oh my god, it happens. Why can't stop? I don't understand why I always yawn. Oh my god, can't stop. Oh, I can't stop. Oh my god. Because you don't get enough sleep. But I sleep a lot. I sleep early last night. Oh my god, I can't stop. The children is so loud outside. Sorry guys. Dante was home. Hello. Last warning. I'm new what country you in. I'm from Crow Spencer. I'm from Philippines. How about you? Where are you from? Too loud here. Oh my god. South Dakota. Where is that place? Where's that place? Native American. Okay. In the middle of the USA. Okay. Nice to meet you here, Corey Spencer. Thank you for joining. A lot of Americans here on my channel. Too loud. I don't understand why it's too loud. The kids, they are playing outside. Hello, hi. Oh my god. I can stop. Hello, hi, Corey Spencer. How do I get a Philippine? I don't know. Maybe you need to search Filipino wife. But be careful. A lot of Filipino are scam. Not all, but some Filipino are scammer. Okay, it will have a report. No, please don't please. can't stop. How tall are you? I'm 5'11". 5'1" centimeter. Cheryl is beautiful. Thank you, Ronaldo Franco. Oh my God. 6 foot, are you too tall? You're so tall. You're so big, man. Oh, good stop, man. Oh my God. Why I'm always young. Stop it. Giant. Yeah, you're a giant. Oh my God. What? Big man. Like this. Me and you. Something like you make me laugh. Oh my God, what happened to me now? Why I'm always young? Oh, don't stop. They call me Ati Tangka. Ah, okay, Ati Tangka. Hi, Ati Tangka. Thank you for the likes. Hello, Shirley. Hi, Ansep. Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Thank you for someone sending the hearts. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Are those your kids? No. I have one kid. Oh my God. You should. Shut up. You have 6 kids, my God. Oh my God. Where's the father of the 6 kids? You're gorgeous. Thank you, Carl, Francis, Spencer. No, shut up. Stop. I'm trying to get them hearts in. Oh wait, the hearts. Send the hearts. Oh my God. Too many hearts. Naglaro eh. Too many hearts. Oh my God. Oh, why two? Oh my God, how many? Hi, Alan Payne. They all disappeared. Yeah. Michelle, drink some water. Why? What happened? What part of the Philippines are you? I'm from, I'm from Bicol, Philippines. To stop yawning. Okay. Okay, I need to drink water to stop yawning. Thank you for watching. Happy place, lots of children. Too many kids here. Too many kids. Yeah, so many single mom. Thank you for the 18 people here. Thank you so much. You want to see the outside? Or wait, I want to show you. The kids. So many kids here. Thank you for the likes. My love, we meet again. Be careful if you find one, because she will try to have you. Send her money. She will try to have you. I want to follow my children before I get out. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Call Spencer.
Nagtama! Sura! Nagtama! Nagtama! Sabi ni, bawal magtama. Bawal magtama.
She says, if she says her grandmother is sick, don't believe her, because grandma may be in bed for 5 years already. Lol. Yeah, he's have experience before, because he have ex-girlfriend, a Filipina. The story is a real happened to him. That's why he gave you a tip that you need to find a Filipino wife, that you need to be careful to choose. Hello. Thank you, Joey, for joining here again. Good or cold, you don't use. Oh my god. They want kids. I know many Philippine families here and state. Yeah, so many They have a lot of Filipina having a successful marriage with an American. So maybe you will find someone, a good Filipina. Good luck to you. Hope you will find someone better for you. And good luck. You will find a good one. Chloe Spencer. Some Filipino are a user or a scammer, but they have a lot of a good Filipino. So good job, good luck to you, Chloe Spencer. I hope you find someone good for you. I know you. It have a. Hirap pag-explain. It's very difficult to speak here. I know some have a good heart and sincere. So good luck. Carl Spencer, go go. Dun, 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 dun. I have to go now, Cheryl. Hope to see you soon. Have a great night. And please stop yawning. Yeah, thank you for joining here. I need to drink water now because I'm yawning again. How about I take you? I'm not available. I'm not single. I'm taken with someone. Goodbye yun. Goodbye yun. Sorry. Oh my god. I need to drink a water again. I feel yun. A lucky guy. Hope the lucky guy. But I think Awi. Thank you, Pro. Oh, Spencer. Thank you so much for joining here. 20 people. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes. I like you. The lucky guy. Good. It's hello, hi Shafia. Shafia Mod, hi. It's 5:30 a.m. Gotta get up. Warm my trucks for once. You have a trucks? Thank you for joining here, Coach Spencer. You wake up too early. Wow, 5 trucks? Do you have 5 trucks? Wow, that's great. Fuel cars. Fuel cars. Fuel. I am from Dubai. Hi, Sophia Ma. Thank you for joining here. Nice to meet you. David Chisney. Hello. Hi, David Chisney. I am from France. Nice to meet you here, David Chisney from France. I love Philippines. Thank you, Shafia Mod. Thank you, Sir David. Chisney. Thank you for the likes. Thank you, 19 people. I'm not single. Thank you for the 8 people. Thank you so much. You look beautiful. Thank you, Shafia Ahmad. What is the background sound? The kids, they are playing for upcoming Christmas Eve here. You are not single, yes. I'm not single.
Kaya pumili mga tao sa sarili nilang bayan upang magpadala. Mula sa Nazareth, isang lungsod sa Galilea. Si Jose pumunta sa hotel sa Bethlehem na bayan sila sapagkat siya'y mula sa Canada. Kasama rin niya ang tubig upang magpadala ng si Maria ng kabuuan. Samantalang naroon.
Okay, then bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining here, Shafia Ahmad. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the 16 people. And thank you for the likes. Thanks a lot. Thanks so much a lot. Maybe my love will come by. You live in a beautiful region. Thank you. Thank you, David. Chisney. Why does it hurt me so? Thank you for the 6 people here. Thanks so much. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe I want to find a way. Only heaven knows. Thank you for the 2 people. All I can do is open Hi, thank you, Miriam Salimov. I'm off, have to buy Christmas presents. See you soon, take care. Thank you. Thank you, Sir David. Thank you for joining here. God bless. Bye-bye. Take care there and God bless and friends. Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, thank you for the likes. Vivo. Hi, Vivo YT. YT. And all I can do is hope and pray. I Donizet Santos. Congratulations, you have just won a trip to the seaside in France. Flight accommodation, food and shopping included. Huh? What do you mean, David Chensey? It's me, I win? I won? Why? Seaside to the France. You are welcome here. Huh? Me? How I won? How I won, Sir David Chelsea? Yes, why? Maybe my love will come back. Contact me privately. Why? Only heaven knows how I won, David.
Pagpasok nila, nakita nila ang batang Jesús sa pinagpagaling ng sinarilo. Lumapit sila, lumuhod at sinagbarang bata. Inihandog nila ang kanilang dalang ito, insenso at ino. Nang sila'y pabalik na, sinabi sa kanila ng Diyos,
I have a small YouTube channel.
babalik mo.
Okay, and then ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Mapigilan. I fell sleepy na. I fell sleepy.
Kaya narinig ko ba ang Diyos at nakalimit ako ng balakan ng grupo na doon sila tumilaan ng sumatay sa Rome. From the top,
Oh my God.
from the top, tumulong kami ang kumalo ng Yoko. Wait, from the top. At ang Isabel ko kung hindi ka bumakti mga tulog. Bami nga ay paraan ng hindi matulog.
Hi, Golden. How are you? Thank you for joining. Chara Golden. Chicken Chick Landan. Hi, Chicken Dan. Why the face? Oh, why? Why or what the face? What the face? Oh my God, good. Thank you for. Oh, you're sleeping. I am. I have a business project at home, lifting wooden pallets, tutorials, and since you speak English well, I drew up a French employment contract for you, 12 euros per hour. Really, you have offer for me to work 12 euro per hour. How? How I do work? I have a business project at home, renting wooden. Contact me, it's very serious. How I contact you, Sir David Chesney? How I contact you? 12 euros per hour. Wow, that's great. I'm interested to work. How I contact you, Sir David Chesney? Thank you for the 17 people. Thank you so much. It's only 7, I think. Ah, and you sleep, yeah. Here, almost 9 p.m. here. I wonder do she have cash up? I wonder do she have a cash up? Yeah. I need to maybe I need to download the cash app to maybe I need to download the cash app to Gcash. I have Gcash. Can you send me on Gcash? Try to send me on Gcash. I have to go. Sorry, see you soon. Don't forget to contact me if you're interested. Okay, bye bye, David Chesney. Thank you so much, David Chesney. Hey, Ashina. Hey, Ashchi. If anyone to send me to help me, you can send me through Gcash. Oh hell no. I have no cash up. No cash up. I only Gcash. Ah, 13 people, thank you. 11 people, thanks a lot. Is there a game tonight? Yeah, the play. The kids to play. We have a play. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only oh my god. Thank you for the 14 people. Maybe need to be silent. Why are not out there? I'm not a kid. There have a teen. I'm not allowed to join there. I'm back. Oh, you're back? You get after getting a coffee. Oh, hi. Yes. Okay. That's. I'm still alive. Edison de Salva. Edison de Salva. Hello. Thank you for the 2 million here. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 13 people. Thank you so much. Maravilhosa. What it means? Bellissima. Mi bellissima maravilhosa. It's a beautiful word. Wow. Wait, you wasn't already here. Wait, you was not already here. Huh? Oh. Wait, he wasn't here. Who? Who? Him. Yeah. Because he's here at first, but he's going to get the coffee and he come back. Amar, Panama, Erwin, Easy, he back, yeah. He back. Yeah, he's not here, and then he back.
Naguluhan si Maria sa sinabi ng Panginoon at inisip niyang mabuti gumalo ang pulveryo. Kaya sinubi sa kanya
Oh my god, I need to end the live. I felt sleepy. I do live when I wake up. No. 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 The 30 minutes more. Okay. Stream. Okay. 30 minutes more. Sleep stream.
at nilisip siya ng
I'm always yawning. I don't understand what happens to me.
ngunit ayaw niya kapahiya si Maria. Kaya pinusin niya ang
Oh, I'm always yawning. I'm really yawning.
Nagpakita sa kanya sa panaginip ang isang anghel ng Panginoon. Sinabi nito sa kanya,
Aaron's Gonzalez, hello.
si Jose,
But I can't help falling in love with you.
Sinabi nito sa kanya,
Alam kong meron ng iba. Sanang Thank you for the 10 people. Thank you so much. No, she snores. You see, you love me too. Yeah, because you're, I love my friends, you know. Just sing in my head. Me. Not that part. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Maybe it's hard to find anyway. Only heaven knows. Now that
Elizabeth. Pagdating sa bahay ni Elizabeth,
One living. Why does it hurt me so? Silver, that throwing K, singing high. Maybe my love will come back someday. Oh, Golden. Thank you,
si Maria ay
Golden.
nanatiling kasama ni Elizabeth ng halos tatlong buwan. Nang panahon iyan, itinutos ng emperador Augusto na magkaroon ng sentisigahan sa katupan na nagkaroon. Kaya
Understand.
nalumipat ang mga tao sa sarili ng bayan upang magpanalan. Mula sa Nazaret, isang lungsod na Galilea, si Jose pumunta sa Judea sa Bethlehem na bayan sa silangan ng Hari
Who
David,
got hired?
sapagkat siya'y mula sa kalahidan.
La la
Asahan niya umuwi upang magpatalaga sa kanila ng buong pagbuwan.
Maybe I need to.
Samantalang naroon sila sa
Diba?
ng oras at panganganak ng Maria.
Baby, hold to
At inilan siya Pinalong niya na nagpinang sanggol at inigat sa
Baby,
sapagkat wala ng lugar para sila kay Ayos. Sa napaitin niya, ay may mga pastol na nasa para. Nagpupuya sa nagbabatay ng kanilang mga tuloy. Biglang bumitaw sa harapan nila ang anghel at lumaganap sa paligid nila ang mapapatilaw ng sanlibutan. Natakot sila, ngunit sinabi sa kanila ng anghel.
no, Golden, she's nice. Questions. Lipstream's question. What is your question? What is your question? Can't be that bad. What is your question, Golden? I've seen her sleep before. Yeah. Thank you for the 11 people. Wait, how bad is it? Is it low? Stop yawning. He didn't do anything today but go to his school. Hi, good evening, Abdul Salam. This is a Al Salam from India, working Abu Dhabi po. Nice to meet you all. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? How are you? I'm from Philippines. What's this question, darling? Where are you now? I'm in Philippines now. I live here in the Philippines now. Which part of the Philippines? Bicol.
Sa bayan ng Galilea ang pangalan natin. Kay isang dalagat ang pangalan kay Maria. Sinumunod Diyos ang anghel sa San Gabriel. Paglapit ng anghel sa kalooban ng dalagat,
Are you single, mother? No, I'm not single. I'm taken with someone. How old are you? I'm 40 years old. 40 years old.
Kaya sinabi ko na niya ng anghel.
Maybe my love will come back someday. Okay po. Okay. Maybe I'll take time in there. Okay po. Okay. Thank you for the 11 people. Thank you so much. You have someone friend single Filipino. A lot of my friends are taken, but They are married, but they are single mother now. I'm looking for a girlfriend Filipino serious, my love, my future life partner. Oh, really? So many questions. Okay, we start for one question first. What is your question first, Golden? Yes, go. What is your question? Number one question for Golden. Start for question number one. What is that, Golden? Go ahead. Golden, please reply as soon as possible. As up.
Hindi nagtagal, si Maria ay nagmamadaling pumunta sa isang bayan ng pangdukunin ng Buddha para dalawin ang pinsang si Elizabeth. Pagdating sa bahay, binating niya si Elizabeth. Nang marinig ni Elizabeth ang bagay ni Maria,
If I don't like it, I will like it. Question number one. He have so many he looking for Philippine single woman. He have so many, yeah. So see, he have so many he looking for Philippine single, yes. They all are, yeah. What happened?
Si Maria ay nanatiling kasama ni Elizabeth ang
They're looking. We all looking.
Nang panahon
What happened?
niya,
Why? Why
Elizabeth
Filipino?
ay
Why Filipino? They are looking for Filipino. They have so many people in the world, not only here in the Philippines.
Mula
Oh my
sa
gosh.
isang lungsod sa Galilea, si Jose pumunta ng Judea sa Bethlehem na bayan
My
ng
question
Nazareth.
is
Sa
either
probinsya ng
a twin of you.
Kasama niya ang
Is there a twin of you?
kapatid si Maria
Huh?
na Juan.
Twin of me?
Samantalang naroon sila
Me, I have no twin. I'm only one in this world. Only me, Cheryl, living in the vehicle there. No twin of me. I'm only one. I'm only one following. And the things not today. Signal me. Question number two. What is your question number two? I need another of you. No. Oh my God, there's another of me. Maybe the artist, the actress there, but no, it's only me. No one. No one can be me. Maybe you find better than me. Lots of beautiful. Lots of beautiful. Better than me. Silver. Hi, Silver. Question number two. What did you eat? I eat fish, vegetable, rice, fruits. Yeah. Seafoods.
At nagmamadali silang dumaan. At nakita nila sa Maria at Jose at ang sanggol na bigas sa sabat.
Fish, yeah.
Umalis ang mga pastol na
Seafoods, not only fish, but seafoods. I like fish.
Tumating si Rosalie ng mga mabuhay sa silaran at nagtanong-tanong.
Thank you for the likes. Thank you for joining here, 9 people. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Ouch. Not the way they eat at they eat. Question number 3. Why so Question number 3. Why you so sleepy? bones na to. Bones ito. I don't know. I'm a sleepy girl, you know. I'm a sleepy one. I'm always feel sleepy. Even when I'm kids, I always feel sleepy. When I'm on the class, I feel. When break time, I sleep. When having no, I'm sleeping. My playmate, they are playing me. I'm sleeping. It's weird me. Yeah, I'm boneless fish. They eat the head and eye and all of it. Maybe your eggs did that. The fish, they eat all the fish, even the head. Yeah, tell me about so nasty. What nasty means? What nasty means? What I don't understand nasty. Nasty. It's like nasty. Nakaka. Yet tell me try some bullet. Golden try some fresh eye. Yeah, no, I'm not eating. I'm not eating that chicken. Of course. I'm trying to get sick. Maybe my love will come back. It's nasty only when you bite into it and hear the bones crack. Nasty woman. It's nasty only when you bite into it and hear the bones crack. Oh my god. Nasty being wait, the bone crack too. Wait, I don't know what nasty. What I know. What the question is? Did you? Wait, I didn't know that part. Cheryl loves it fresh, runs it all over her body, and then eats it all. Yeah, rub it all over her body. Actually, I don't think she likes it. Maridoki de la Fuente. Hi, Cheryl Cruz. Good evening. Share ko. Wow. Pangit pala pag ano, makakulubang ano, ang dami pag nilalaban, amoy kulog, kahit may daw na. Are you okay, Cheryl? I'm not okay. Hello, Sunshine. Hi, Sunshine. I'm not Sunshine. Press to the G. Hello. May party dyan sa inyo, walang party dito. May practice sila ng play para sa Pasko. Must be the fresh on her again. Maybe the shirt is dumb. Fresh. Gab! Gabriel! Pwede na. Because is it raining? Not raining here. The game is long, yeah. The game is long. Tama na yun, Gab. Tama na. Butang mo yun dito na ano. Mga nagabhay. Okay, tipigong ko. Yeah, too long. The game. No game, just kids playing. Yeah, kids playing. Yeah. Gab. Turog na sira, no? Torin. Buklada na doon kamaan. Buklada. Buklada. Gana ka mo kanina?
Oh,
Kaman. Wow, ang galing. Sa? What you doing tomorrow, Cheryl? I'm preparing for tomorrow for breakfast, paperwork, building, having a lot of people over your place today. Why? Dito sige. Kaya di man ano. Oh yeah, at Thanksgiving. Oh yeah, really? Thanksgiving for what? Me? Cheryl, is it okay when you swim in the morning? Can you tour us outside? Thank you. Okay. I can tour you here, outside here, and the house. Because I'm always here inside the home, and then tomorrow morning I tour you out the outside. Mando, she already charges on. Team, come and show you. Guy invited. Where? Now, today? What happened to you there? Golden. What, Thanksgiving for what? Thanksgiving, what happened to the Thanksgiving? Yeah, to the Thanksgiving for what? Dr. Petrovich. Long time no see, Cheryl. Do you still remember? Yeah. Me, yes. I'm remember you, Dr. Petrovich. Thank you for joining here again. Thanks a lot. 20 minutes more. I know, 10 minutes more. Chris to the G, just curious, why is it always so noisy there? Yeah, because they're playing outside, the kids playing outside at the home. Because the window is very open. The door is very on. That's why you need to come, Cheryl. Fatten you up. You so skinny. Yeah, I'm so skinny. You need to fatten me. Just a celebration of the wire man taking the engine's land and we eat and celebrate it. Oh, okay. No, I want her skinny. Huh? What? Hmm. 9 minutes more. I felt so sleepy. Oh my god. I mean, white man. White man. Is she nothing but bones?
Ewan niya, traveling daw.
Golden Prison. No, she's perfect. Thank you, Chris G. Oh, wait. I need to pee.
At nagmamadali silang lumakad at nakita nila sa Maria kasi at ang sanggol nila sa sabi. Umalis sa mga pastol na nagkakaroon sa Diyos. Hindi nagdagal. Dumating sa Jerusalem ang mga mga mula sa silangan at sa nagkaroon. Kaya tinitindang lahat ng pulong sacerdote at
Don't you want to grab something thin? Huh? Don't you want to grab?
Ready ka na ba kapag nalaman mong meron na siyang iba?
What do you mean, Golden? Grab? Grab for what? Okay, we give her some green. Green for what? What green? What is the green? So then she be thick. Oh my god. What is the topic, moderator? I don't know. What is that? What is the green? So what is some green? Cannot catch up. Yeah, me too. I'm just joking with you. Okay. I have no clue what Golden is thinking. Okay. Green. Maybe just a sticky. I know that the green is sticky. Yes, like sticky. Alf, me like number 12. Thank you for the likes. Well, green as food sold. Seaweed. Yeah, the seaweeds. Like, the seaweed. Yeah, I know that. I think you want to see her swing on a triple pole. Ew. No. No. You gay girl. How? Aray. I need to close the window now. What's wrong with you? Sir, don't be for the same. For that same. Team Makulet. We are the Team Makulet. Team Strong. Team Positive. Team Lovable. Team Honest. Why wouldn't you? That team Makulet. Want to see her on a pool. Are you married, Cheryl? I'm not married, but I'm not single. Your admins are fighting. They are fighting, guys. Are you fighting, guys? No need to fight because she better than that. Thank you, girl. No, we're not. No. I need to mute because they're playing in here because I will be a copyright music. They're playing music here. I need to avoid to copyright music.